Ah, it's not fair because there was a hill. Ah,
It's convertible.
ah,
What's wrong?
just pull over.
Okay. You okay?
Tell you in a second. What are the fucking chances?
What happened?
Fucking fishing line.
Where from?
Somewhere near the fucking bridge.
Oh my god.
Cop.
Did it hurt you?
Nah, I just felt it like something was fucking pulling me.
You know that would have been me if I was on the edge for once.
Hey?
Usually I'm on the edge.
Oh, right in my fucking shoulder, eh?
Yeah, I have to get it off you.
Nah.
I have to get it off you.
Yeah, no, I can see. Turn your bike off. Hook, line and sinker, eh?
Oh yeah, the whole lot.
Fucking hell, I felt something like go,
It didn't hurt.
nah,
Like it didn't go into your neck or anything.
that's what I mean.
Like you're in Kevlar and yeah.
Just, can you cut the... Yeah, it went...
Glad you think it's funny. It doesn't look funny. Can you come forward?
Yeah. Oh, lucky I'm wearing a fucking helmet, really.
Yeah.
Don't know whether it come up from a boat or whether someone was on the bridge, yeah.
The string is still attached. It is... That's all the way from the river.
Oh, no.
People,
Yep.
it's still attached to you. That would have gone from there. There's no one on the bridge either, was there?
Not that I could see, eh? There's lots of boats and shit around there. But there's people fishing on the side. If you can't get it out, just leave it. I'll get it out when I get home. Just break the line.
Wherever it come from.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Go there,
broke it. Cool, you have a nice lure.
I know, free lure.
Thank God I'm wearing these gloves.
Just standing on it.
Oh, now it's attached to me. That would have hooked into me. That's the usual side I am on. See how long it is.
Going to.
You probably got the whole lot.
They would have been like, oh, I've got something. It's huge. Do I look weird standing here like this? What are you doing? No, just fishing.
You're nice and shiny too. With your lure on you.
Car coming. Don't run over me line.
It's still going.
Oh, car's on it.
It wasn't my fault. Their sign on the back of their car. You're still fishing. Watch out, the man might see it.
You might trip over it. The lady in the courtesy vehicle there keeps looking at us.
I know. Oh, look at the dog.
No, look.
It's the end.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There you go. Is there a bin?
Probably around the back of there.
Note to self.
Watch the bridge.
Yeah.
You almost died.
Not died. It didn't feel like it was going to pull me off. It just felt like something was pulling me.
Yeah, but lucky it didn't go around your neck. Well, I have time to do up this now.
You do. You said next time we stop, and then all of a sudden,
You're going to be very colourful riding.
everyone will go, why you got a lure in your jacket?
Because I can't get it out.
I'm very alluring.
I wonder if anyone's got pliers around here. Oh, nice outfit.
Wow. lot of weird shit going on.
Today? Yeah.